Welcome to today's review on the F11 Big Plus Automatic Espresso Machine. This machine truly stands out with its fully automatic functionality, making coffee preparation effortless while maintaining professional quality results. And its user-friendly design ensures anyone can craft cafe-style beverages in seconds. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this coffee machine at the best price in the market. Right from the start, the F11 Big Plus impresses with its auto-clean feature, which saves time and removes the hassle of disassembling the machine for cleaning, giving you more moments to enjoy your perfect cup of coffee. The LatteGo milk system is another highlight, producing creamy, smooth froth at the push of a button, whether you use dairy or plant-based alternatives, making cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos delightfully rich every time. With 24 beverage options ranging from hot espressos and cappuccinos to cold iced americanos and macchiatos, this machine truly covers every taste and occasion, ensuring variety for both office and commercial settings. The adjustable grind strength and 9 grind size options allow complete control over the coffee's flavor profile, whether you prefer a light, aromatic cup or a bold, intense espresso, giving coffee lovers full customization. Commercial users will appreciate the massive 8-liter water tank, capable of producing up to 100 cups per day, which is perfect for busy offices, hotels, and convenience stores, and the flexibility to connect it to a water bottle or tap ensures uninterrupted service during peak hours. Its robust and sleek silver design not only enhances any kitchen or office decor but also signals reliability and premium quality, while the intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigation and drink selection fast and simple for all users. While the machine is a significant investment, the combination of efficiency, quality, and versatility makes it a worthwhile addition for those serious about coffee. Though some users might find the initial learning curve for advanced settings slightly challenging, it quickly becomes second nature. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the daily milk system flush and occasional auto-clean cycles, ensuring your machine stays hygienic and fully operational without extensive effort. Energy efficiency is respectable for its class at 1440 watts, meaning you can run multiple cycles without worrying excessively about power consumption. And the built-in grinder ensures each cup starts with freshly ground beans for maximum flavor. Whether you are serving a small office team or managing a cafe corner in a hotel or store, the F11 Big Plus handles volume with ease while delivering consistent quality, making it both a practical and impressive investment. The touch interface is responsive, and navigation is clear, making it easy to experiment with different drink recipes, strengths, and froth levels without frustration. Coffee enthusiasts will enjoy exploring the variety of drinks and experimenting with grind and milk settings to perfect their preferred cup, making every coffee break a little special. Overall, this machine combines elegance, technology, and efficiency in a single package, offering convenience for beginners and advanced features for connoisseurs, balancing speed, taste, and customization beautifully. Don't forget to click the link in description below to grab your F11 Big Plus automatic espresso machine and transform your coffee experience into something truly extraordinary. Whether for personal use, office enjoyment, or commercial service, it's a versatile, high-performing solution that brings cafe-quality coffee right to your countertop with minimal effort, maximum control, and lasting satisfaction.